Alright guys, today we have a GALION T500M motor grader, 200 horsepower international diesel engine, 4-speed forward and reverse transmission, 12-foot grader. Hours are unknown, meter doesn't work, just showing 0. Does have a couple of hydraulic leaks, we'll show you those in the video. We're going to start it up and run it around. Engine starts and runs good. Got a couple of leaks up here on the steering cylinders. Blade pivots side to side. The turn from side to side doesn't really want to work sometimes, like it's got seals or bypassing in the motor, not really sure. If you have any more questions, give us a call. If you need a shipping quote, give us a call and get your quotes directly to your door.